Hello, this is a very unusual motorhome, S697 First Line from Chausson. It is 659 centimeters long, but what is clever is that it is only 210 centimeters wide. So it's as easy to drive as a camper van, or at least that is what Chausson says. Now, this sort of thing would absolutely suit me. I don't like it when I'm driving a vehicle which is too wide. Now in here what we've got is a German layout at the back with storage below. I've got storage all the way around, and we've got something which could have been storage at the sides. Two windows, well, one on each side anyway. And if I take you into the washroom, you can see it's a shower with two plugs, and there's a place there to sit, and should you need the toilet, this false wall will swing out and then you've got access to the toilet. On the other side we find two burners and a sink. There's the two burners and there's the sink, and under that there's a fridge. There's some more there's more storage, and over here we've got something like a big box with storage in it. There are one or two USB, not USB, 12 volt and 230 volt plugs. You can control everything from up here, and as you can see, this comes with Webasto diesel heating, which I don't recommend. There is an extension to the kitchen, which you can see here, and let's have a look outside, because that's not the end of things, because here there's also a big garage. Here's the garage, and you can see it right there. Now I think that is an absolutely enormous garage. You can put 150 kilos worth of stuff in there. You can see there's lashing straps in the floor as well, and I'll show you all the way around, but I can't. It says it's got grade 3 all-season insulation. Well, maybe it has, but to be quite frank, I wouldn't want to be in this in the dead of winter. Mind you, I've been in my own van in the dead of winter and I'm still alive. So I tried to do this in under 3 minutes and I have succeeded. So if you're interested to know more, I've done a longer video, and you can see that there's a link to it. It may be a Challenger, the brand, but it's the same thing as this. Chausson and Challenger, it's the same. Thanks for watching and all the best.